Pullback, or crash. They sound similar, but they're very different animals, and knowing the difference can save you a lot of stress. Let me give you a side-by-side, super clear breakdown you can remember the next time headlines get loud. Here's the main idea. A pullback is the market catching its breath. A crash is the market falling off a cliff. Key point 1, size. A pullback is roughly 5 to 10% down from recent highs. Think of it like a speed bump. A crash is 20% or more, fast. That's a cliff. Key point 2, speed. Pullbacks tend to develop over days to a few weeks. Crashes happen suddenly. Days, sometimes a couple weeks, and the damage is steep. Key point 3, duration and recovery. Pullbacks often pass in days or weeks. Crashes can take months or years to fully recover, even if there's a bounce. Key point 4, causes. Pullbacks often come from profit-taking. Pullbacks often come from meh economic data. Pullbacks often come from a headline that spooks people briefly. Crashes are driven by panic selling. Credit freezes, bank failures, global events. Let's make it concrete. If the S&P 500 climbs for months and then dips 7% on earnings jitters, that's a pullback. It's uncomfortable, but it's normal, like the market taking a breather before the next set. But when the market plunges 30% in a few weeks, like March 2020, that's a crash. Widespread fear, liquidity drying up, big institutions de-risking all at once. Another classic example, 2008. Credit cracked, housing collapsed, banks wobbled. Systemic, not just sentiment. How do I think through it in real time? I quantify the drop. Is this within 5 to 10%, or are we pushing 20% fast? I time the move. Has this played out over a week or two, or are we gapping down day after day? I scan catalysts, credit. I scan catalysts, funding. I scan catalysts, contagion. I scan catalysts, policy emergency meetings. I watch behavior. Mild concern looks like orderly selling. Panic looks like everything selling at once. Safe havens spiking. Volatility exploding. What do investors often get wrong? They treat every dip like a disaster and sell low during a routine pullback. Don't do that. Learn the difference between a pullback and a market crash. More importantly, don't panic. All the best.